to enhance the capacity of women to take leadership positions, and especially at the grassroots level, and also in political spaces and civic spaces. We know that there are barriers that hinder women to come to these platforms. And one of the barriers is actually lack of confidence. Sometimes it's lack of information. Sometimes it's like fear, culture, gender norms. And so we're enhancing their capacity, what they need to do, why they need to be here. We are calling on that information, the skills, to more women. We are reaching out to women at all levels of leadership, the administration leadership, political leadership, especially for the women who have been vying for member of county assemblies and they have failed. So we are working a journey with them and to ensure that they take more of these spaces. Again, also for women who are church leadership, they can also, how can they enhance? Because we find that most of the time they are left out and the voices of women are not heard. How can they come to the table and also their voices to be heard?
And whereas the need to incorporate women in leadership. And when we talk about the local administration, we talk about people who help in solving so many issues that affect the society and the community at the mashinani level. In fact, when you elevate a woman into leadership, you benefit the whole community.
Tumefunzwa na chief ametufunza vizuri kuwa a good leader as a woman.
Now I read to aige